In this video, we're going to show offset and limits, okay? So for example, if we go here to this Revolut edit, here we have two options, offset and limits, okay? So what is offset? We're going to show actually offset a little bit later. We can put here a limits, okay? And we can choose here angle. So what that means, I can say I want that this will rotate from 30 degrees to 90 degrees. So the minimum will be 30 degrees, the maximum will be 90, like this. And now I can go here, animate. Now maybe I want to go to different direction, flip primary axis, animate again, and now this part can only rotate from 30 degrees to 90 degrees. Okay, so I can go now with OK. I can try this manually. And as you can see, from 30 to 90 only, right? So this is how you can set up limit. Now, for example, we have this pin here, right? We use for this pin slot. We can double click and we have the same thing here. We have offset and we have limits, right? So we can go with an offset and we can just fix this on some offset distance, 20 millimeters. As you can see in this direction, we can go, for example, just to be more visible, 100, right? It's 100 millimeters from here. We can go opposite like this. It's 100 millimeters from here. We can go, for example, 50 to be like this, right? Or let's go 70. So we have this offset distance, right? And this is that axis. Also, what we can do now, okay, let's just click OK. So now as you can see, we can move this on this offset distance, right? Let's go here to the pin slot again. Let's uncheck offset. Let's go flip like this. Also here we have limits. So here we have minimum and a maximum, right? Also we can go with angle. So for example, minimum I can say 10. Let's just put it 10 like this. And the maximum, let's say 100. Now we can see 100. Let's go with 50. And let's go here with minus 50 like this. And now as you can see how it goes. Let's click OK. Let's try to move it, right? It goes from here to here, right in the middle because we put a limits here, right? And now these pins can easily move, nicely move in this slot from this to this because we put those limits. Then also, for example, offset distance, we can go here. Let's fasten, let's suppress that. Let's go here, slider. Let's unsuppress that, right? So we can move this now. We can also go here to the slider. Also here we have offset and limits, right? So we can also put here offset distance, 10 millimeters, as you can see in X direction, like this. So here we have an offset, right? But this is not what we want. We can, for example, also go to the limits and we can say minus 50 and 50. Let's check, right? And now it goes minus 50 to 50, as you can see, right? Now if we click OK, if you try to move minus 50, here to 50, right? Or maybe, for example, if we go here to slider to make it more realistic, so let's go here with minus 30, like this. Let's click OK. And now let's try to move this. As you can see, 50 and 30, like this, right? And now we can move this, as you can see, like this. And this is how in these mates, you can define limits, and the limits can be distance and also angle, as we show here, angle and the distance, right? Minimum value, maximum value. And also you can put here offset, right? As we show, offset distance. So it's on some offset distance from certain face.